Hey you guys, what's good? It's your girl Kayla Lashae. We are back today. I just got back from the mall. It's actually pretty late in the afternoon. I got a pink drink from Starbucks, but they were all out of the ingredients to do my dragon drink, so I've never had a pink drink until today. It's pretty good. Definitely would recommend adding that into your little routine if you've never had it before. Also, I broke 2 nails today while I was cleaning up the kitchen, so please disregard that in this video. I can't get an appointment until tomorrow, till my nail girl is back. So anyways, I just went shopping with my brother. We went to the Beverly Center in Beverly Hills here in LA, and I have like mixed feelings when it comes to shopping in Beverly Hills because you just never know with customer service. I've said this before in like my luxury videos that I don't know, it doesn't really make the experience that great when you're not treated that well. But your girl had an amazing experience and I actually felt like giving them my coin today. So I was doing some browsing online, just like thinking, girl, what do you want for your birthday? Like, I'm already gonna go on a trip, so that was already set. But I haven't really booked anything for that yet, but I'll get to that in another vlog coming this month. But I just feel like I have to justify things because it's my birthday. But then again, like, do you really have to justify it because it's your birthday? This was something that I definitely had my eye on since it's come out. I saw it on Instagram on the runway way back in the day, and since then they've come out with this item in different colorways. They've done different variations of the item. So comment down below if you guys have any guesses. I know I shared on Instagram today a little clip of the bag, but I don't think you guys are gonna guess what your girl got. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of an unboxing, but first let me get a thumbnail. I love that. You guys remember when I did my last Louis Vuitton unboxing? It was for a pair of sneakers. Those sneakers I had for maybe 2 days. After I filmed that video, kid you not, the next day it broke. So I had to take those back, and I didn't even get a new pair because the quality of them I just didn't think was worth the amount that I paid for them. So they were deemed as defective, and we're just gonna leave it at that. I still had my eye on a sneaker from Louis Vuitton. Now a lot of people are all about the Balenciagas, they got their Gucci's, but for me, like, we just know, like, Kayla is an LV girl, like Louis gang all day. So this is just way more my style. I don't see them out, like, I never see people walking around with these shoes, and they're just not as common, and that's what I love about them. But they still are wild, they still are crazy, and they definitely are a statement. But also I would say they're like an everyday sneaker. Like, you can get your money's worth out of it. So this is just the box that it comes with, or comes in, and I have another shoebox up there. I love these for storage. I don't even really store the item that it came in it. I use it for other things, which is awesome. So it has this pull on it, like a drawer. Like, how amazing is that? Like, you get your money's worth with these things, and it's just like a cute decor piece. So what is this? I don't know, a booklet of some sort. Oh, he also gave me a shoe repair place because I had asked. I have my LV slides. Oh, that's another thing. Something about the quality with their shoes. I don't know what it is, but here I am spending more money on shoes when I still feel like the quality of them is crazy. Let me get them so I could show you what I mean. Oh shit. Ooh. Okay, I am back. So these are my slides. I bought these in Las Vegas. I don't remember when. I'll link the video down below. These are fantastic. These are my everyday shoes. You know, I wore them today with socks. You know, while I went and ran errands and stuff like that. I wear them down to the pool and whatnot. The quality of these, like, I know they're everyday shoes, but look at this. Do you see that? This, like, it's lifting. I almost was tempted to put like Gorilla Glue because, like, I don't know, I don't want to be walking around the streets with these on and all of a sudden, boop, the whole thing comes off. So I had asked him about that today, and he just said, honestly, like, you could send them to Louis Vuitton, but it would take a while to get them sent back. But he just gave me a place in Glendale or whatever. So I thought that was nice that he gave me that recommendation. But I guess it's like a common thing with the quality of their shoes, being that that's the second pair of shoes from Louis Vuitton that I've purchased that don't really hold up to the price tag. Like, what? Huh? How does that work? But anyways, I'm not going to put that intention out there that that's going to happen to these shoes because I feel like the quality of them is much different. So it comes with 2 different dust bags, one for each shoe. These are really big shoes, by the way, but I love them for that reason. They actually make your legs look skinny. So when you're traveling, you can go ahead and throw your shoes into these dust bags so that they are protected, and also for storage too if you, I don't know, keep them in the box, but I don't think I'm going to be doing that. Oh my god, my crusty nail. Boom. Look at these. Just look at them. So the sole features a little LV stamp here right underneath the arch. I chose to get the black with the monogram canvas for a few reasons. One, I wear black all of the time. It's great if you're wearing leggings, you know, like that's my uniform per se, so this is a great shoe to throw on. While you still look stylish and trendy, it's, I don't know, like it's just something about it. I really like this style of shoe. Big arch in them, which you would think, oh my gosh, like that's super uncomfortable, but no, it actually sits with your foot lying pretty flat, but you do get some height with these as well, so you're gonna get a little bit of height on you. I do have to say I did go up about a half of a size because I felt like the toe box in my normal size, which is a 39, was a little bit too tight. It was just like, no, it was not working. So definitely recommend trying these on in store if you can versus purchasing them online, but they're really available in basically all the styles and all of the sizes for the most part. But it does have this beautiful canvas piped all the way around it. It's like a rubber sole. They do have double laces on them, which I think is awesome. It really makes it more of like a hefty statement, and I'm not really sure what the material of this is, but it's really nice. Like the quality of this is so nice, and it also has an LV here that looks like a rubber material on the tongue. It does have a really big tongue, and then on the inside is where we have the size imprinted. I really think that the design of it is really nice. It also has the canvas pull tab here as well, and it looks like it is stitched on, unlike the other sneakers that I had that it was literally glued on. So we'll have to see over time how these wear, but I was happy to give you guys an update on the slides. By the way, those slides are men's, so if you're looking for them, just make sure that you look on the men's section of the website, because I have gotten questions of you guys saying that you haven't been able to find those. So here's the other shoe as well. I just love these. These are such a Kayla shoe, but they're crazy. They're different. They are definitely going to be something that I wear on an everyday basis. It's not going to be like a shoe that I would wear for special occasions. Like if I'm going to spend my money on something, your girl's going to get her money's worth. We're going to be wearing them every day to Trader Joe's. We're going to be wearing them to the Grove. We're going to be wearing them when we go check the mail, okay? When we take Leroy out. Like this is going to be a shoe that your girl's going to be living in. But I love these so much. I do want to put them on and give you guys like a little shot of what they look like, just so you could see like on an actual person. But I love this. I feel like from a distance you wouldn't be able to tell that it's Louis Vuitton until you got up close and personal, if that makes sense. But definitely check these out. If you don't like the black, I think this does come in white, and then they do more like multicolored designs with like lime green and like really fun funky colors if you want something that's more of a statement item. But these I'm so excited to have in my life. I still can't believe that I got my hands on them and I like had them in store, like available for me to get. But this was a birthday gift to myself. I felt like this was just like something that I've really wanted for a long time, and this was the perfect time to justify getting it because it's my birthday. So how could you say no? You know, you gotta treat yourself. We work hard out here. We really do work hard, and I think that it's worth treating yourself.
Let's go. Yeah.
For today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little shop with me, first impressions, haul, whatever you want to call it. I definitely recommend you guys check out their sneakers. I know everyone just hypes up Balenciaga and Gucci and all that, but I don't know, like there's something about Louis Vuitton that just, I don't know what it is. I feel like in my past life I must have grown up in France or something. I have such a connection for some reason with France and Paris, and I don't even travel there. Like, why did I take French in high school compared to Spanish when that was clearly more popular with the people that I grew up around? Like, I don't understand, but I need to look into that a little bit more. I know I did a birth chart, so we're gonna do some digging and find out my connection to Paris and France and why I have such a love for it. But that's a whole nother video, a whole nother topic. If you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe, click the post notification bell next to it, thumbs up for more, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!